At the age of 12, that's when I first saw the replicator on Star Trek series. That kind of fueled the fire, and then since that point, I've always been sort of in love with the idea of how do you use new methods to create physical objects. Anyone who's naturally got that curiosity of how things are made and ever wondered about, oh, how's a computer mouse made? What are the components in there? And why does it work the way it does? And why is it shaped the way it does? You probably found this course interesting and helpful. If you look around the room, most everything that you can put your hands on has gone through some sort of design, development, and production process. Usually it starts with the problem that someone needs to solve. So within this specialization, we first sort of separate into 3 short courses. The first one will dive into what overall the design processes look like. And then we'll transition to the second part of first short course, which is the product development process. And then we'll look at how our prototypes made. We'll start looking into what are some of the polymer 3D printing processes that are available to produce some of these physical projects. The third course is purely focused on 3D printing. And then towards the end, we'll kind of emphasize again, 3D printing is a tool, and in the context of design and development space, how does it enhance the process and sort of enhance the overall field?